to the day 3 of the new season. So, such an amazing ride yesterday. I hope you enjoyed the previous episode because I don't think I'm gonna be able to compress it to the 20-15 minutes. I think I'm gonna upload a ride through the mountain pass I've been going through on its own, so everyone can see it, because it's been absolutely spectacular. And I wish I don't have to be so focused on the riding, because the road's been very windy, and it was so worth it. It was exhausting, but it was so worth it. So after all, I made it to the campsite. Sorry I didn't show anything when I arrived, because my camera died, so I was like no juice, so that was the issue. So today I'm gonna take you and show you around the campsite. Actually, I'm just gonna drive through it and ride through it, and then I'm planning to go and explore a little bit and see what's around me. So I've got rest of the day to do it, and I've seen a couple amazing places, so stick around. And yeah, we will go and look around what's going on here. Oh, I found a nice place that I want to check it out. It's a lake. And I think this lake has an absolutely amazing view. That's what I hope to see. Come on, don't stop. that lake, it doesn't look all that great. I think on the picture it looks better. But I've seen there is like a type of ski lift which I'm interested to see, because usually those ski lifts going to the mountain tops, which I like. So I'm gonna make my way there and see if it's possible to have a ride. Top tip, if you don't want to pay for a parking, get an ice cream in a hotel. The hotel that and park in the parking. So if they say, well, you're not a guest, well, I'm a customer. So I found this, and now I'm trying to I hit the flag. Yeah, to go to see some views. I'll catch you on the lift. I think this became some kind of tradition. Me going on the ski lifts, which I don't really like because they're going very high. But we live only once. But I'm sure views are going to be stunning. That's a tenere somewhere there. Somewhere there. And that funny lake. Supposed to be such a super clean water, but it isn't. But it's fine. Okay, I'll catch you guys in a minute, as soon as something more interesting happens.